ahead of us, Mum.
Yep.
You can do a panning shot.
No.
Watch. That's your right. Yep.
Is that good fun?
I'm going to pass you on the right, Chris.
I like it.
You like it, that's good.
Sorry, quiet. Turn around. Go back to Mum.
Hey!
You sit down.
Wave to Mum.
Wave to Mum.
Wave to Mum. Bye.
Mum.
Say hi, Gran. Shall we get some more wood? More wood. Tell Ginger. More wood, Ginger. Okay, then we park. You can get down. Do you want to eat your lolly? Eat your sweetie.